Uh, Thank you very much. Welcome again. I'm going to introduce you to the total surface area of cylinders. Total surface area of cylinders. We have two types of cylinders. One, we have closed cylinders. So let's look at the types of cylinders. We have closed cylinder. Closed cylinder. And the number two, we have open cylinder. So we are going to talk about the total surface area of cylinders. We have two types of cylinders, that is closed cylinder, open cylinder. Now we are going to start with the first cylinder. The first type of cylinder is called closed cylinder. So if you're asked to find the total surface area of the closed cylinder, let's have our closed cylinder here. Our closed cylinder looks like this. So let's have it like this. Let's have our cylinder like that. So this is our closed cylinder. We are looking at the total surface area of cylinders. We start with the closed cylinder. If you have been given a closed cylinder of that kind and you are being told that it has a height of 32 meters, and let's say that it has a radius of 21 meters. You have been asked to calculate the total surface area. Calculate the total surface area of the closed cylinder shown above. The first thing, you should know the formula. So for you to get the formula, the formula of the surface area of a closed cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus pi dh. So the formula of calculating the surface area of a closed cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus pi dh. We say take pi to be 22/7. Let's now evaluate this formula. It is 2 times pi is 22/7 times the radius. The radius is 21 meters. We square 21 meters like this. We add pi dh, which is 22/7 times diameter. For you to get diameter is actually equivalent to 2r. That means diameter is going to be 2 times the radius, which is 21. This diameter is equivalent to 2r, that is 2 times 21. So we get 42 meters. So our diameter becomes 42 meters. So we use it here. It is pi dh, so pi is 22/7 times d, which is diameter, is going to be 42 times height. Our height is 32. Our height is here 32 meters. We close and open the brackets, as we have shown there. Now let's now expand. Let's now remove the brackets. So we have 7 here, we cancel 1, 7 cancels, 21 is 3. So we have it is 2 times 22 is 44, times 3 is 132 times 21. So it is 132 times 21. This is going to be 2, 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2. So we had, this is 2, this is 7, this is 7, and this is 2. So we have 2772 meters square. Let's now expand by the edge here. 7 here is 1, and here is 6. 22 times 6 is 132 times 32, so it is 132 times 32. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3. So we had, this is 4, this is 12, call 1, this is 11 plus 1 is 12, call 1, that's 4. So we have 42, 24. And the formula says that it is 2 pi r squared plus pi dh. So our 2 pi r squared is this one, plus our pi dh, which is 42.24. So now we had it is 2 pi r squared, which is 2772 meters square, plus 42 meters square. So this is going to be 42.24 meters square. So we want to add, this is going to be 6, 9, that is 9, that is 6. So we have 6996 meters square. So 6996 meters square is the total surface area of a closed cylinder. So this is our answer. Let's now move to the open cylinder. We are now going to the second type of cylinders, which is called open cylinders. Open cylinders. We have open cylinders. Let's have the figure. Like this. Yeah, let's say that this cylinder has a height of 26 centimeters and it has a radius of 14 meters. We are going to calculate. We are calculating the total surface area. The total surface area. So we have open cylinders. We are calculating the total surface area of open cylinders. So for you to calculate the total surface area of open cylinder, you must know the formula. So the formula is the formula of calculating the total surface area of an open cylinder is pi r squared plus pi dh. So there is a big difference when you are calculating the total surface area of the two cylinders, that is the closed cylinder and open cylinder. So when we are calculating closed cylinder, we don't place 2 here. We don't place 2 here when we are calculating the total surface area of an open cylinder. We don't place 2 here. But for instance, if we are looking for the total surface area of an open cylinder, of a closed cylinder, we place 2 here. This becomes the formula of the closed cylinder, the total surface area of closed cylinder. So we just place 2 here. But if we are talking to the total surface area of an open cylinder, we don't place 2 here. We don't place 2 here. So that's the big difference. That is the difference that exists. So it is pi r squared plus pi d h. So this is going to be 22/7 times the radius, which is 14. We square the radius, which is 14. That is pi r squared plus pi d h. So plus pi d h, which is going to be 22/7 times the diameter is 14 times 2 is actually 28. So the diameter is 28. Because if you want to get the diameter is actually equivalent to 2 radius, to 2 radii. That means it is 2 times 14. You just get 28. So 28 meters is actually our diameter. So it is, the formula here is pi dh. That is 22/7 times diameter is 28 times height, which is 26. Now let's close and open the brackets as well. Now let's now remove the brackets. We have 7 will cancel here, 1 will cancel, 14 2. So we are going to have 22 times 22. 22 times 2 is actually 44. 44 times 14, that is it gives us 616. It gives us 616 meters square. And then we are going to solve here, which is, we have 7 here, we cancel, 28 is 4. Now 22 times 4 is 88. 88 times 26, so that is 88 times 26. 6 times 8 is 48. So cal 4, 6 times 8 is 48, plus 4 is 52, right? 2 times 8 is 16, cal 1, 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So we are going to have, we add, that is 8, this is 8, that is 12, cal 1, 2. So we are going to have 2288. So 2288 is our pi dh, and 616 meters square is our pi r square. So we add, it is pi r squared, which is 616 meters square. We add our pi dh, which is 2288. This is going to be 14 cal 1, that's 9, 10, cal 1, that is 9, we drop 2, so we are going to have 29.04 meters square. So this becomes the total surface area of an open cylinder. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, watch, and like and comment. Thank you.